Oh, hello everybody, it's Mr. Chow here. This is J-Mac Productions' second installment of Spazin Mixtape. Shout out go to RP4L, my boy Aaron. Fuck you, Phil. I'm sorry about this, Stu, but you must like or you can suck on these Chinese nuts, gay boys. I hope you enjoy this gangsta ass shit, niggas. Now say hello to J-Mac himself, bitches.
What? I be sippin' on that perp, I be straight whipping up dessert. I be straight fucking out these bitches with my dick up in the skirt. I be like, oh my god, you twerk. She be like, oh my god, it hurts. I be like, me and all this music be a blessing, not a curse. I be like, get up, stick up, with your chin up, hiccup. I'm on that get up, sit up, smoke that get up, get stuck. Whoa, that's a flow. Tell them, let them know that Johnny's here and ready, cause this shit about to blow. Check the score, J-Mac is on the board. Bitch, I'm getting paper while you barely can afford. Your life's a chore, you wish that you were more, but compared to what I do, your life be labeled as a bore. Whoa.
John, you need to calm the fuck down. Your RA is honestly gonna rip you a new one.
What, dude? What am I doing wrong?
You're disrupting the peace and just being downright obnoxious. Oh, and your lyrics are pretty damn vulgar.
Well, I guess you're right. Here, let me try something different this time. Yeah. I'm a good boy, a good boy, I swear I'm not a hood boy. My swagger be on fire, feed me fuel, that be that wood boy. That wood boy, burn good boy, I'd ride you if I could boy. I'd strap you to the ground, just smile, then broom boy. She like the way I do things, even though I do a few things. She never know what's next, period, mood swings. Have her scratch my chest, then later bite my neck. Then slowly get naked, then proceed to sex. It's the best contest, to see who comes next. Study this dick like the text from a test. Suck my dick, never stop to take a breath. Get ready for this cum, no gag reflex.
Whoa, 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 bro. What the fuck was that? You can do better.
What the fuck, dude? I thought I went hard as fuck on that verse.
Bro, you about that motherfucking bitch life. Go fucking harder.
How the fuck am I supposed to go harder? That was like everything I got. Wait. Yeah. Got that automatic flow, no reload. Rewind this beat, no TiVo. Got a jackass with a fat ass, I call that bitch my Steve-O. Scalp your ass like chemo, smoke that green like CeeLo. Ballin' on your bitch, a straight swish. Free throw, my flow be like a serpent. It just slither through the ground. It can turn into a lake and make a hoe drown. It can make the right sound like a bass drop down. I have never been a knight, just a king, gold crown. Take my life, you try to murder me. Spazzing for eternity, never test me, cause for real this ain't paternity. Rappers are deserting me, always give my word to thee, and always rep the pyramid of the Illuminati. Now that right there, my friend, that was the definition of spaz. Now I know for a fact I went hard as fuck. Don't tell me to